Creech. I'm from West Alexandria, Ohio, and I run a Mite 2 screen, and love the machine, looking at possibly upgrading. Got a tour here today, a screen machine. Highly recommend this company, American made, everything's overbuilt.
What kind of material are you running with that Mite 2?
We're running mostly topsoil and compost, compost topsoil blend, and beautiful product. We've had 2 other machines in the past, and definitely the happiest we've ever been.
Good.
You know, right now I think my limiting factor is machine capacity. So I'm looking at hopefully going with a bigger machine. You know, the hours that we spend, I've shared, you know, I love running equipment, so taking longer isn't a problem for me, but we're going to get to the point to where we're going to need to be more efficient, and definitely, you know, we'd be interested in running 612.
How would you characterize the learning curve of learning to operate a screen machine product?
Well, with the Mite 2, you know, we talked about this earlier, it's all manual, which is me, you know, I'm stuck in the middle of technology and manual. I'm more of a manual guy, but it's super easy on the Mite 2. I think there might be a small learning curve on the newer machines, but same thing when you get an iPhone, so I got over that, so I think I'll be okay. But, you know, I'm not familiar with the new technology that you guys are using, but I'm looking forward to learning more about it.